Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Singapore fried rice is a very different variety of rice recipe. Now it's a mix of Indian, Chinese and Malay cuisines, and the flavors are quite different from the usual fried rices that we normally make. Most people originally include different meats in this, but today we are going to make it completely a vegetarian recipe. It is going to be very simple, yet definitely different from the usual fried rice we all have. So let's get started and check out this simple Singapore fried rice. So first I'm going to just make a mix of this curry powder. If you get ready-made curry powder, you can use that. So those of you who don't have this curry powder, I'm just going to show you how we can do this at home. To a cup, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper. So just mix everything. So now the curry powder is ready, keep this aside. Take a nice wide kadai or a wok, add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, or you can use gingerly oil. Once the wok is hot, start adding all the ingredients one by one, starting with 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 green chillies finely chopped, a few spring onion whites chopped. Just saute the ingredients for about 30 seconds. Now start adding all the other vegetables, starting with 1 large carrot finely chopped, half cup of chopped capsicum, half cup of yellow capsicum, half cup of the red capsicum and about half cup of finely grated or chopped cabbage. So I have used all these vegetables. You can add other vegetables of your choice. Keeping the flame on a high, just stir fry all these vegetables. So just adding a few spring onion greens. I've saved a little for later. So I'm only using about 2 spoons of this curry masala powder. Just add only how much you need. You don't have to add all of it. So I'm adding 2 spoons now. Just mix all that in. The aroma is already amazing. So now I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chilli sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Next, I'm adding 1 250 ml cup of long grain basmati rice that I have cooked and kept. Now I've actually refrigerated this rice. Usually when we make fried rice, it's always good to chill the rice and use it. Gently start mixing the rice. Take care to see that you don't break the rice while mixing. So if you noticed, I've just changed the spatula. This is easier to mix. I had saved a few spring onion greens. I'm just adding the remaining spring onion greens. And finally, I'm finishing off with some chopped coriander leaves. Now you can check for seasoning at this point. If you do need to add some salt or pepper, you can add it at this point. You can see how simple this rice recipe is. So there you go. Here is this delicious Singapore fried rice that you can make in minutes. You can also pack for lunch boxes, and you can add other protein of your choice. If you'd like, you can add tofu, paneer, and for non-vegetarians you can add egg, chicken or prawns. That's up to you. This is a very tasty rice item, and you can add whatever vegetables you want along with it. Now this is enjoyed as is, but if you do want to have something along with it, you can add some Manchurian or enjoy it with some nice Chinese starters. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.